Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to replace the main PCB on a Samsung dryer. Now if you have this model in particular, most of these are going to be in the back. Now if you have the front load style, and what I mean by the front load style is if it's got a circle door, and your main PCB is going to be over on the left hand side. But for this one, all we need to simply do is come over here, and now we've got to take out some screws. So we're going to take out a screw here, and then we're going to come over here, take out a screw there, another one right here, another one right there, and then another one right here. Once we do that, we can then just take our control panel and flip it up, exposing our sub PCB board and our main PCB. So there's also going to be one screw that is right there, and that will need to be popped out. And there's a little tab on this side, so you're just going to have to simply just push this over, kind of wiggle it, get it up, bring it over, and there is your main PCB. Now, if I were you, I would definitely take a picture of this, because this connector in particular is really kind of tricky. It can only really go this way, I mean, according to the wires, but I have seen where this is flipped sometimes, and that will create no power once a main PCB is replaced. So again, we just take out our connectors, take off those, all these connectors. This comes as a complete assembly. So then we'll just take and we'll put that assembly, plug it all back in, making sure again all connectors are right. Take a picture with your camera and make sure that you've got them all in good order. Simply just take it, put it back. Then we'll put our screw back in right here. Take your control center here, put that back on there like so. And then we're able to put all of our screws back in there, hit our power button, and we should be off to the races.